Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In this next set of videos, we will be dealing with a new topic, working with tables in a publication. So we will split this set of subtopics into different videos, and in today's video we will try to look at the first three topics. So how you can create a table, what it is, and how you can also change the style and shading of the table and maybe add some colors. So let's pull up one of our publication documents, and here we already went to page 3 of our publication, and here you see an example of what a table looks like. Table consists of cells. These little boxes, these are cells, and each cell can be addressed by a column and a row value. The column are the A, B, C, D, and the row is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I go to the top cell, the address is A1. Now normally in publications these are not visible, but in something like Excel, there you can see something like that. So how do you insert a table? So this table is made up of 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns. So to insert a table of 4 rows and 4 columns, stay anywhere on your page, click Insert Menu, Table, the arrow down, and you can simply take any 4x4 cells here or box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you just click, there you go. So I can drag it out, click on the edge and drag it out. So this is a 4x4 table, and you can enter information in by clicking in the cell and just type in what you want. And this is the okay. So that's how you practically create a table. Another way to create a table is by, let's click outside on the page. You can go to Insert, go back to Table, and then this time you can say Insert to Table. So you will get this little nice dialog box, and you can indicate the number of rows and columns you want. So you can do that using the arrows up and down, and then, or you can just simply type it in the boxes yourself, delete and type. And when you're ready, you hit the OK button, and that's the table here. So you pull it down, and let's try to pull our publication, make it a bit spacious, separate distance. And then, my friend, is how you can create a table. So hope you enjoy this one. Now we're going to look at how you can beautify your table. For example, let's say you want to format this, change the style or color or background. So what you do is click anywhere on the table, or preferably I will say click on the edge to make sure it's selected, and go to Design menu. It's already there when you click the table, and you can go to Table Format. So under Table Format, see that you can click this arrow down here, because there are so many formats here, but to see more you simply click this down and you can select the format you want. So let's say you want this format, just click on it and there it is. Okay, you can also do the same to this. Now another thing is you can fill your table with a certain color. So if I click on this table, I go to Design, and I can say fill it with this color. Let's say I want green, and you see it's filled with the green. You don't see the lines that much. Okay, and this is how you can play with tables. So you can also do more things with the table. Let's see. So go back and let's choose this one, and let's go back to Design, and let's say we want to add borders. We want to be able to see the lines again. Let's say you go to line color, you can choose red. It doesn't bring it out, so we go to line color, sorry, not line color but borders, and you can say I want a complete border shown, and there you can see the red color. Okay, so you first have to apply the border, and then you can put the color to show, and you can go back. As long as the table is selected, you can always go back, table design. Let's see, you can also increase the thickness of the line by going to the point and say 4, and that's, you can see that clearly. Let's go back again. Somehow it's not showing. Okay, but then you go for line and blue. I'm not sure why it's not showing, but sometimes these things behave well. So we go to border. Maybe if we change the border again, take it out and put it, there you go. So guys, what is happening here is any changes you make, for it to be effective, you need to maybe redo the border. So let's say I change this table to, I change the outline to, let's say, this color. Now I don't see it immediately, right? Let's say I change the thickness to this. I can't see the effect, but then I will have to switch off the borders that I put and switch it on again, and there I can see the effect. So that's basically what has been happening. So, and that's how you can change the line, the color, the border types, and the styles, and also fill your table with a certain color. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.